Hello everyone. We are Team Green Era. Our problem statement is real life solution for waste management. Our solution will work under the organization of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. In India, we generate over 1.7 lakh tons of garbage every day, out of which more than 50% goes untreated, which gets dumped into rivers due to poor segregation and low citizen involvement. Many policies had been proposed in the past, but none of them impacted well due to poor education and research. Our solution for that is Swachh Saathi app. It is an AI powered waste management platform designed to make cities more cleaner and more sustainable. Here's how our solution works. इसका सिंपल वर्कफ्लो है. हर हाउसहोल्ड को एक यूनिक क्यूआर कोड मिलेगा एंड द गार्बेज कलेक्टर विल स्कैन द क्यूआर कोड, take the photo of the garbage collected, then will rate it out of 1 to 5 according to the way waste is segregated. एंड हमारा AI बैकएंड इस फ़ोटो को वेरीफाई करेगा. अगर रेटिंग और फ़ोटो मैच नहीं करते तो AI फ्रॉड फ़ोटो को फ्लैग करेगा. गुड रेटिंग पर सिटीजन्स को CNCs मिलेंगे विच आर रिवॉर्ड्स लाइक सब्सिडीज, बिल डिस्काउंट्स विच आर easily redeemable. Our main motto is to make a bias free, transparent, and scalable waste management platform. We want our solution to be easy and reliable for authorities. Technical approach. In our app, we will have unique QR code system for identification. और collector उसको scan करेगा before collecting the garbage and will upload the photo of garbage. After that, they will give 1 to 5 star rating based on the way waste is segregated. So our AI will verify it to make sure that rating is true and fair. And app में we will provide short and crisp training videos and quizzes to make people learn about the app. इसके अलावा स्वच्छ साथी ऐप में एक ई वेस्ट लोकेटर भी है जो गूगल मैप के नियरेस्ट ई वेस्ट सेंटर दिखाता है. ई वेस्ट को प्रॉपर्ली डिस्पोज करने पर दे विल गेट एक्स्ट्रा रिवॉर्ड्स. इन आर ऐप प्रोफाइल आइकन आप CNCs रिवॉर्ड्स एंड लीडरशिप रैंक को ट्रैक कर सकते हैं. कमिंग अपॉन द feasibility and viability. So our idea is very practical because it uses technology people are already aware of. Like हमारे ऐप में QR code, photo based verification, exciting rewards and training videos, which also makes it scaling up realistic. Yes, we know that after all these things, we know challenges do exist, like convincing people to adapt the system, ensuring that the photos uploaded are clear. There should be no fraud, but we have solution for that also. उसके लिए हमने ट्रेनिंग वीडियोस, क्विजेस, AI powered fraud detection areas and attractive rewards which can be used to pay subsidies, water bills and electricity bills to keep people motivated to work for the cause. अगर impacts and benefits की बात करें तो our solution creates a win-win situation for everyone involved. सिटीजन्स के लिए अवेयरनेस, रिवॉर्ड्स एंड उनकी नेबरहुड्स को क्लीनर बनाएंगे. फॉर कलेक्टर्स दे विल गेट प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग, स्टेबल इनकम एंड सेफर वर्किंग कंडीशन. एंड फॉर म्यूनसिपैलिटीज़ providing them data-driven insight which will help them reduce cost on a big note and ensures compliance. On bigger level, we know that Swachh Saathi app builds stronger community and creates new job opportunities. Coming upon social benefits, it aims to improve communities by creating jobs, enhancing quality of life, making a cleaner and safer environment, protecting waste collectors from injustice, and also promotes fairness and accountability with transparent login and educational programs. This is our interface for Swachh Saathi app. Please select house owner or collector and log in or sign up with your credentials. Training videos and quizzes for better understanding. Home screen for house owners. Map showing nearest waste dump locator. Shopping place for redeeming the CNC points. Community page for rating and neighbors rating. Complaint registration box. Here you log in as collectors. Home screen showing rating and pending task of the day. Calendar and rating assigned page. Complaint received page in your area and location. CNC point redeeming page for collector. Complaint box for collectors.